Mithila, what is a safety case and why does it matter?
Like most people, even I didn't know what a safety case is before I started my master. So basically, to explain it in like very simple terms, I would say safety case is like it's like an argument. Like basically, it is a part of it's a type of something called as an assurance case, which is used in safety assurance. So basically, there are different types of assurance cases. One covers safety, one covers security, and so on. So this assurance case, you can see it as like an argument, and it has like different types of arguments which is supported by evidence to show that one particular objective is achieved. So every safety case has a main objective, which is because it's a safety case, it's like a given system is safe, or this algorithm is safe, which argues like for example an algorithm which avoids collision, it actually does what it says. So that will be the top objective, and you will have a set of arguments and evidences to show that actually that objective is achieved. So basically the technical definition would be it's like an argument which has an evidence to show that a system is acceptably safe to operate in an environment. And it is actually mandated by many standards. Like there is a standard called ISO 26262, which is a standard in the automotive domain, and that standard mandates that for every automobile created, the safety case has to be created. And this safety case is sometimes it spans like 1,000 pages. It's a very large document, and it is like manually created and obviously error prone, but it's a very large document, something like a flow chart kind of
Okay.
representation. There is textual representation as well, but in industry, like there's something called as GSN, called goal structuring notation. It's similar to a flow chart. It has like rectangles and circles.
Okay.
So it doesn't only comprise of that. That is one part of a safety case. There are also other documents, like evidences run from different tests. All together, it comprises a safety case.